Adjective clauses. Subject pronouns. These 5 people who are sitting next to me are my siblings. That means my brothers and sisters. I'm the girl who has blonde hair. The man who is wearing a suit lives in San Francisco. He's Jody. The girl who is wearing a yellow dress is my sister, Melissa. The guy who is sitting next to my sister is my youngest brother, Alex. Spencer is my only brother who has a beard. The man who is sitting next to Alex is Jamie. I love my family. Okay, let's talk about adjective clauses. Adjective clauses are clauses that describe a noun. Just like adjectives, we use them to talk about nouns. All of the nouns you see here are in red. They are being modified by the adjective clauses. When we use adjective clauses, we must have a subject and a verb. That's what makes it a clause. In this case, the subject is a pronoun. In all of these examples, the subject pronoun is who. Notice that this verb is plural. Why is that? Well, let's look at the noun that the adjective clause is modifying. These 5 people is a plural noun, so we need to make sure we have a plural verb in our adjective clause. The verb in the adjective clause must agree with the noun that it's modifying. Who is a subject pronoun that we use for people. However, we can also use that for people. You know, I like to go on trips with my family, but we can't always agree where we want to stay. Jamie prefers a hotel that has a pool. I want to stay in a hotel that is close to the ocean. Jody and Spencer like hotels which offer free breakfast. They really like to eat. We can also use adjective clauses to describe things. Notice the pronouns in these adjective clauses. We use that and which for subject pronouns that describe things. Do you remember that can also be used as a subject pronoun that describes a person? Notice here too that one of these example sentences has a plural verb in the adjective clause. It's offer, because the adjective clause is describing a plural noun, hotels. Again, the verb in the adjective clause must agree with the noun that it's describing. The wise owl has a message for you. Be careful. You cannot take out the subject pronouns in adjective clauses. It is wrong to say the man is wearing a suit lives in San Francisco. What's missing? Yeah, we need a pronoun, who or that. Okay, here's some important things to remember about adjective clauses with subject pronouns. We must not omit the pronoun. We have to have it. The pronouns we can use for people are who and that. The pronouns we can use for things are which and that. And the verb in the adjective clause must agree with the noun it modifies. Now you know about adjective clauses with subject pronouns.